message has been requested by the United States government. At approximately 3 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, a meteorite of unknown origin entered Earth's atmosphere, striking the Earth near Hughesville, Pennsylvania. There are reports of an unidentified species roaming the area. They are violent and dangerous. The United States military is currently working to neutralize the situation. If you currently live in a 1,000-mile radius of this location, please follow these instructions. Do not travel outside the home, turn off all lights, and remain as silent as possible. Lock all possible entrances, gather enough food and water to last for at least 4 days. In order to listen to further alert updates, please plug in headphones into your radio and listen through them. Alien species is incredibly sensitive to any noise, no matter how quiet.